In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Word, whether you're crafting a newsletter, a brochure, or just want to add a professional touch to your document. Knowing how to create columns can come in incredibly handy. Columns can help structure your content clearly, enhancing readability and making your documents look more organized and inviting. Let's dive right in. To begin with, open the Word document where you want to format your text into columns. Make sure that this is the document you want to apply changes to, as we'll be working directly within it. Now, once you've opened your document, shift your attention to the top menu, where you'll find various tabs. We are specifically interested in the Layout tab, which is usually one of the options at the top, alongside others like Home, Insert, and Design. Click on the Layout tab. This is your gateway to a multitude of formatting options that Word has to offer. By clicking here, you will access an array of options primarily focused on adjusting the layout of your document. These options pertain to margins, orientation, size, and of course, columns, among others. After you've navigated to the Layout tab, direct your attention to the Page Setup group. Here, you'll see a section labeled Columns. This is where you'll be able to choose how to organize your text across the page. Click on Columns and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several choices. You can choose from 1 to 2 or 3 columns. If you're working on something that requires a bit more customization, there's also an option for more columns. Selecting one of the predefined options, say 2 columns, will immediately reformat your document to a 2-column layout. It's quick and efficient for most standard projects. However, if your needs are a bit more specific, clicking on More Columns will open a dialog box that allows for further customization. Here, you can adjust the number of columns, their width, and even the spacing between them, tailoring the layout to fit your exact requirements. Remember, the More Columns option is perfect for creating more complex layouts or adjusting the appearance for different portions of your document. You might want to adjust the spacing, for instance, to ensure the text doesn't feel cramped or too loose for the reader's eye. Once you're satisfied with your settings, just click OK in the More Columns dialog to apply your changes. Hopefully, these steps have demystified the process of creating columns in Word for you. Now you can easily enhance the structure and readability of your documents, making them not only more functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. So, go ahead, start creating those professional-looking documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.